everybody. I hope you're having a great week so far, and I know that you're receiving all those autumn catalogs in the mail and emails with all of the autumn fashion, but I'm not going to give up on summer yet. We still have a few more weeks to go, so I'm going to enjoy all the great fruits and vegetables and the sunshine, and today we're going to stick with summer and we're going to make a mango, avocado, and honey salad. We're going to start with our lettuce. And I'm using romaine lettuce, but iceberg lettuce works just as well. I wouldn't use, say, butter lettuce because it doesn't have the crunchiness that you're going to need for this salad. So I am going to cut this up, and we're making it with 2 heads of lettuce because I'm making it for a large group. So cutting this up in smaller bites. You can cut it as small as you want to. And I'm using this Saran cutting sheet. You've probably seen me use these before. I love them because they're disposable. And then I'm going to put my lettuce in a bowl, a large serving bowl. So we have this, cutting up the sizes that you prefer. And you'll notice that over my shoulder, my hydrangeas are still blooming. They haven't given up either. However, they are not blue any longer. They were blue, then they turned kind of a greenish yellow, and now they're kind of a whitish green. So I don't know, sometimes the blue lasts longer than some years more than others. And I have used some of the products that they have at the Lowe's or Home Depot to make them continue to be blue, or I put it on at the beginning of the year, I put it on the middle of the year, I put it on the end, whatever I can do to keep the color. But for some reason this year, it just hasn't been a good year for them when it comes to color. Now I still have an abundance of them, but they're not very pretty. These are okay. These are probably the last ones that I'll have. So we have our lettuce cut. I'm just doing a very rough cut on this. Just chop. If you want tinier bits, then chop away. And then I'm gonna put it in the bowl. This is an Annie-Glass bowl that I've had for a very long time. I don't know if you're familiar with Annie-Glass, but I'll put the link in the information box below. This one, I don't know, they may still make it. I've had it quite a few years, but I love it because it's not perfect. It's very, very rustic looking. And so I use it for my salads, and I have used it actually for other things, for decorative purposes, but I really love putting salad in here. So then the next item will be our mango. You want to take 2 mangoes, and I've already diced them. Dice them and add them to your salad. And these aren't enormous mangoes, but they've gone a long way with this. And now we're going to take 2 avocados and dice them. Our avocados, and we've added that to the mix, and it looks very summery with the mangoes and the avocados. Let's add 6 to 8 slices of diced bacon. I've cut this up. You want it cooked, pre-cook it, and if you are not a bacon eater, then it's optional. You don't have to include that. Excuse me. And then now I want to show you how to make this dressing because I think you're going to love it, and you can use this dressing on just about any salad that you make. Also, you can pre-make the salad dressing, and you'll have it whenever you entertain your guests or you have a salad that you want to make. Let's make the dressing. The dressing is very, very simple and can be used on any salad, and you can make it ahead of time, so that makes it much easier for you. So the ingredients are very, very simple. I use this quite often. It is 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now, adding that. I'm putting this in a jar because I'm going to shake it up, but you can put it in a bowl and just whisk it, and that's fine as well. Now I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. You can't go wrong with that. And now we're going to cut our lemon. Have to have a knife, don't we? So I got the lemon, so we have we have 1/3 of a cup of honey, and we have 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, and we're going to put the juice of a lemon. Now, your top, shake it up. And of course you can make more than you need because you can put it in a refrigerator and keep it for quite a long time. Okay, we're ready for that. Now, I'm going to add salt. I'm easy on the salt because I put bacon on this. If you don't add bacon, you can put a little more salt. This is Mediterranean sea salt. And then pepper to taste. That. Now, I'm going to add additional protein. Now, you don't need to if you think this is enough for your dinner or to serve as a side dish. This is plenty. But I suggest either salmon or chicken. And this is simple grilled chicken and simple grilled salmon. I didn't put any seasoning on either because what I'm going to do is serve this with the dressing on it. And then you can have additional dressing, you know, make a little extra if you want to, or this may be more than enough, and add it to your protein, but just drizzle it over, drizzle it on the meats, or if you serve the meats to the side, have a little for dipping. It's delicious. You're going to love it. I think you're going to enjoy this salad, and if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button, and I'll let you know each time I post a new video, and follow me on Instagram.